How to stop redirecting websites in Chrome. That's what I will show you today. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up Google Chrome and then click on the three dots at the top right of the screen. Then click on Settings. And here you need to scroll down to the Advanced section, and from there click on Site Settings. And here you need to search for pop-ups and redirects. Once you find it, click on it. Now, as you can see, pop-ups and redirects are turned on and allowed. So in order to turn them off, all that you need to do is click on the toggle to disable them. And as you can see, as Google Chrome tells you, this will block sites from showing pop-ups and redirects, which is what we want, and it's also recommended. So that was it for this video. That's how you can stop website redirecting in Google Chrome. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.